Hello everyone, I am Angry Bird. Today we are connected on Gate.io and today I have a new project. ICNT Impossible Cloud Network ICNT Event Bundle CandyDrop Alpha Launchpool Simple Earn. Gate will launch ICNT spot trading on 3 July 2025 at 10 UTC to reward platform users. Launchpool Alpha CandyDrop and Simple Earn will list Impossible Cloud Network ICNT according to the timeline below. Join now and experience the benefits. Here is the CandyDrop and here is the CandyDrop. CandyDrop is a Gate Airdrop platform and it is now partnering with Impossible Cloud Networks ICNT to host an airdrop event. Users can participate in ICNT trading to share a super airdrop of 280,000 ICNT event period 3 July 2025 at 13:10 to July 12, 2025 at 13 UTC and here is the join button. Click on it and join now. Here is the join button. Click on it and join now. Gate Alpha third points Carnival issue one trade to share 140,000 ICNT and Alpha points event time 3 July 2025 10:30 to 8 July 2025 at 10:30 UTC and here is the also join button. Click on it and join now and here is the launch pool. ICNT launch pool will start mining on 3 July. Stock BTC, Ethereum or ICNT to earn 420,000 ICNT with the rewards distributed early. Here is the join button. Click on it and join now and Simple Earn. Gate Simple Earn will launch on ICNT 7-day fixed term product on July 4, 2025, offering a 150% APR. Only 1.2 million ICNT available. First come, first served. And here is the join button. Click on it and join now. About Impossible Cloud Network tokens ICNT. ICNT is the native token of Impossible Cloud Network ICN, an open, permissionless, and composable cloud ecosystem built to replace legacy platforms like AWS with decentralized enterprise-grade storage, compute, and bandwidth. The recent investment by Helium Baker NGP Capital places ICN at a fully diluted valuation FDV of 470 million USDT. The ecosystem is operational and currently generates over 7 million USDT in APR through services delivered to 1,000 plus enterprise clients, reflecting a 2,000 year over year growth. And the network powers over 80 PB of active decentralized storage across Europe and the US, with 250 PB plus in the global pipeline with 250K plus community members and 29,000 plus nodes across 140 countries. ICN is setting the standard for real scalable Web3 infrastructure backed by top investors including 1KX, No Limit Holdings Protocol Labs, NGP Capital, HV Capital, and more. The notes are also here. Uh, there may be discrepancies between these original content in English and any translated versions. Please refer to the original English version for the most accurate information. In case any discrepancies arise, here is the Gate team at 3rd July 2025 and Gateway to Crypto. Trade over 3,600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 USDT in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community for the latest insights and transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of reserves. Transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of reserves and now here is the ICNT ongoing. ICNT is the native token of Impossible Cloud Network. ICN. The total prize pool is 280,000 and the participants is 12,966 and the events end in 1 day 3 hours 58 minutes and the 1 second and here is the registration open. Event ended and airdrop complete task to share 280,000 ICNT prize pool. Futures trading to share 110,000 ICNT. Total tokens 110,000 ICNT and individual share limit is 300 ICNT. Complete task and share price pool. Login and participate. Complete task. Tier 1 ICNT futures trading mission 30,000 USDT or 1 candy. Tier 2 ICNT futures trading mission 50,000 USDT or 3 candies and Tier 3 ICNT futures trading mission 80,000 USDT or 5 candies. Claim up to 300 ICNT. Rewards will be distributed on 29/7/2025 at 21. The actual arrival time shall prevail and here is the activity rules. Here is the activity rules. During the event, users with cumulative trading future trading volume 30,000 USDT ICNT can receive candies up to a maximum of 9 candies and share in the 110,000 ICNT prize pool. And the second one is future trading volume is equal to open interest plus close interest. Okay, and here is the spot trading to share 110,000 ICNT. Total tokens 110,000 ICNT and the individual share limit is 300 ICNT and complete task and share prize pool. Login and participate. Complete task. Tier 1 ICNT spot trading task 5000 USDT. Tier 2 ICNT spot trading task 7000 USDT, and Tier 3 ICNT spot trading task 10,000 USDT. Claim up to 300 ICNT. Okay, rewards will be distributed on 29/7/2025 at 21. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Here is the activity rules. During the event, users achieving 5000 USDT in ICNT spot trading volume, sum of opening plus closing positions, can earn up to 9 candies from the 110,000 ICNT rewards pool, and alpha trading share 6,000 ICNT. The total tokens of ICNT is 60,000 and the individual share limit is 300 ICNT. And here is the complete task and share price pool. Login and participate. Complete task, and here is the join button. Task 1 alpha trading task 1 candy. Task 2 alpha trading task 2 candies, and here is the claim up to 300 ICNT. During the event, users who trade ICNT token on Gate Alpha with a trading volume 100 USDT will receive candies. Different candy rewards are unlocked based on the tier reached with a maximum of 3 candies, sharing a prize pool of 60,000 ICNT, and alpha trading volume is equal to alpha buy volume plus alpha sale volume. Okay, and here is the consent details. And about this website uses cookies. We use cookies to personal content and ads to provide social media features and to all analyze our traffic. We also share information about your use of our site with our social media advertising and analytics partners who may combine it with other information that you have provided to them or that they have collected from your use of their services. And here is the details. Necessary cookies help make a website usable by enabling basic functions like page navigation and access to secure areas of the website. The website cannot function properly without the cookies. And here is the about. Cookies are small text files that can be used by websites to make our users' experience more efficient. The law states that we can store cookies on your device if you are strictly necessary for the operation of this site. For all other types of cookies, we need your permission. This site use different type of cookies. Some cookies are placed by third-party services that appear on your page. You can at any time change or withdraw your consent from the cookie declaration on our website. Here is the allow all, and now we are go to the Impossible Cloud Network, the ICNT protocol, and the AI Cloud, infinite storage and compute at light speed backed by And here is the protocol collapse and HV capital and NGP capital, the foundational layer for the next gen internet. And here is the impossible cloud network. We are gaining traction and the numbers speaks for themselves. Over 110 million USDT in ICNT traded in the last 20 hours. That's a new ATH. Let's go ICN fame. And ICNT trading volume is 110 million plus USDT, new all time high. And here is the okay guys, now we are moving to ICNT. Now I tell you the ICNT live value 0.3021 USDT is the live value of ICNT. And the change percentage is 0.0197 is the change percentage. And I also tell you about the bracket percentage. 7.092 percentage is the bracket percentage. And here is the 24-hour high 0.3170 is the 24-hour high. And the 24-hour low is 0.2679 is the 24-hour low. And the 24-hour volume is 61.55 million. ICNT is the 24-hour volume. And here is the 24-hour turnover 17.88 million USDT is the 24-hour turnover. And here is the candles which are also telling you the live values of ICNT and the meanings and the indications. Okay, now we are going on to impossible cloud network light paper. Here is the light paper. Impossible cloud network, a decentralized cloud ecosystem. Abstract. The current cloud service market faces significant challenges, including centralized high cost, vendor lock in data, and security concerns. Impossible cloud network ICN proposes a decentralized solution to these issues by leveraging blockchain and Web3 technologies. ICN creates a scalable, decentralized cloud infrastructure where participants, hardware providers, HP, service provider, SP, and SLA, Oracle nodes collaborate to enhance network integrity and reliability. The Impossible Cloud Network protocol ICNP orchestrates this ecosystem using a token economic system that incentives contributions and ensures balanced resource allocations. ICN network capacities and ensure network reliability through collateral requirements by promoting technical and economic efficiency and reliability. ICN aims to drive the development of comprehensive suite of decentralized cloud services, offering a flexible, cost-effective, and secure alternative to centralized solutions. Okay, and here is the table of contents. A golden opportunity in the cloud, a general market dominance and centralization concerns, customer challenges, technical and future challenges, market entry barriers, and the problem, the need for a collective approach, the solution, impossible cloud network, ICN participants, ICN partner projects, example of projects partnering with ICN protocol, impossible cloud network token, supply side providing capacity to ICN, demand side requesting capacity from ICN, network monitoring SLA, Oracle network, network reliability and SLA enforcement. And here is the problem, the need for a collective approach, the solution, impossible cloud network, ICN participants, ICN partners project, and ICN partner projects. And here is the examples of projects partnering with ICN protocol, impossible cloud network token, ICNT supply side, providing capacity to ICN demand side, requesting capacity from ICN, and network monitoring SLA, Oracle network, network reliability and SLA enforcement, ICN network growth cycles, and here is the roadmap. Phase 1 launch phase 2024 and phase 2 growth phase 2025 to 2026, and here is the phase 3 optimization phase 2027 onwards, and here is the get involved and the reference, a golden opportunity in the cloud. The global cloud services market is anticipated to grow significantly, with projections estimating it will reach 2.5 USDT to 2.7 USDT trillion by 2034. Cloud service industry anticipated to grow significantly, and here is the this growth is driven by increasing enterprise adoption of cloud-based solutions across various industries and the rise of transformative technologies such as generative AI, edge computing, 5G, VR, AR applications, and real-time analytics. Despite this potential, the market is predominantly controlled by a few large corporations, leading to concerns about market control, pricing, and innovation. These issues can be categorized into four main areas: general market dominance and centralization concerns, customer challenges, technical and future challenges, and market entry barriers. Here is the general market dominance and centralization concerns. The current cloud service ecosystem is party-tonight and controlled by well-resourced tech giants such as Amazon Web Service, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform GCP. This oligopolistic environment raises significant concerns, and here is the concentration of power. The centralization of power among a few companies limits control and ownership by users and developers. This centralized increase cyber risk and data explosion concerns, particularly under regulation like the US Cloud Act 1, applying to all of the above mentioned US corporations or the Chinese national illegalence law. The if you can you will principle applies here, as centralized control enables monitoring, espionage and sensing of communications, financial transactions, and even debanking individuals or companies, creating significant risk. And here is the economic exploitation. Despite the cloud sector's continuing growth, major corporations have entered an oligopolistic cash cow stage, dominating the market and setting high prices. This leads to high costs for business and individual users and perpetuates their market dominance. Here is the stifled innovation, dominance by a few large players, stifles innovation, making it difficult for smaller companies to complete or introduce new technologies. This reduces market diversity and limits the dynamic progress essential for a vibrant technological ecosystem. And here is the second one. The customer challenges. Business and individuals worldwide rely heavily on cloud services from major providers but face significant challenges affecting their operations and efficiency. Here is the high cost. High costs are a major concern as users often face escalating cloud budgets due to complex pricing structures and high fees, up to 10x higher compared to decentralized solutions. And 2 3 most companies have experienced budget overages and a steady increase in cloud and infrastructure cost, which highlights the financial burden imposed by current providers. This financial strain can limit the ability of business to invest the other critical areas impacting their growth and innovation. And the next, vendor lock in. Current cloud services impose a strong lock. It affects restricting user flexibility and hindering their ability to switch. The alternative solution 7, data egress fees and the adaptability. As a business may find it challenging to leverage newer, potentially more efficient technologies from different providers. And from different providers, here is the data security, privacy and sovereignty. Clients worry about data security and compliance with local regulations like GDPR and the US Cloud Act. To mitigate this risk, many end users adopt inefficient multi cloud strategies, distributing data across multiple providers and often running their own premises solutions. While aimed at enhancing security and compliance, This approach often leads to increased complexity and management overhead, further complicating the cloud environment for businesses. These issues underline the necessity for a more flexible, cost effective, and secure cloud ecosystem to meet the diverse need of business and individual worldwide. Here is the third one, technical and future challenges. Moreover, current centralized cloud architecture face several critical technical and future shortcomings. Word transition to distributed networks data is growing exponentially and predominantly at the edge. 10. This growth at the edge will change the world as it will inevitably lead a corresponding demand for storage, nearby computer power, as well as huge demand for distributed networks. Overall, the underlying effect is often described as data gravity, the ability of a body of data to attract applications, services, and other data. The reason is simple, moving computation to the node where that data resides, data locality, and instead of vice versa, is way more efficient as it minimizes network congestion and improves computation throughput. 12. Scalability issues. Rapid growth and technological advancement in the cloud sector demand scalable and flexible solutions. Storing and computing data is distributed network is much more scalable and current approximately 660 exosys per second, and it also surpasses the combined computing power of AWS and Google. Emerging technology demands. Okay, AI computing and real-time data increment require immediate localized processing which centralized system cannot efficiently support. Single points of failure in centralized solution risk widespread services and disruptions during outages. To address this issue, decentralized networks such as IPF have been proposed as off-chain storage for AI models that can be invoked through smart contracts. And here is the energy consumption in cities like Frankfurt and Germany. Data center operators have reported that limited power availability poses significant planning risk. AWS is already restricting power-hungry instances that make use of GPUs in certain locations, okay, like Dublin, due to power limitations. To avoid this issue, data center infrastructure is often geographically distributed to reduce peak power demands on the local power grid and reduce the cost of ownership. And here is the fourth one, market entry barriers. Although innovation in the cloud market is overdue, disrupting the cloud industry cannot be achieved by a single company or startup. Incumbents like AWS, GCP, and Azure have created formidable barriers to entry with extensive investment, averaging 20 USDT to 50 million, 50 billion USDT annually in their hardware, infrastructure and data centers. And the spending powers are extensive software ecosystem of the current cloud incumbents, commonly referred to as hyperscalers, create significant barriers to entry, making it nearly impossible for new competitors to directly outcompete them. As a result, successful challengers in the cloud market typically and focus on niche segments such as Wasabi for affordable high performance storage, CoreWave for GPU accelerated compute resources, and OVH for diverse cost effective cloud services with a strong European presence. Regulatory intervention to break up the hyperscaler oligopolies is also unlikely due to geopolitical consideration, particularly the ongoing US China tensions and the need for a collective approach, a centralized cloud built and honored by many cloud effective address the challenges mentioned above. In recent years, projects such as Akash, Filecoin, France, and Affinity have started utilizing blockchain and peer-to-peer technologies to manage physical infrastructure in a decentralized manner. These initiatives, known as cloud DAPINs, decentralized physical infrastructure network, features distributed hardware ownership and geographically dispersed infrastructure. The leverage blockchain-based incentives and are designed to operate in a trustless manner. Web3 technologies offer a framework for open source development, incentivization, and distributed ownership. They promote compatibility and innovation at the edge while maximizing microsystem said they are always more smart people outside your company than with it. Despite the potential benefits of Web3 technologies, cloud deepins have struggled to compete effectively in the cloud marketplace so far. Their services often fail to meet the demands of the majority of businesses and customers. Simply put, most cloud deepins are still searching for Web 2 and Web 3 words can illustrate. Have this lack of product market fit impact market 2023 and anticipate 2.3 billion USDT in revenue for 2024. How can the promising collaborative approach overcome the barriers posed by current centralized cloud architectures and finally build a robust alternative? Here is the ecosystem silo hardware or a single use case such as cloud storage or GPU compute. However, the divergent range of services is necessary to attract a broad customer base and build network effects that can service offering, which in turn unlocks enterprise mass adoption. These ecosystem approach leverage the strength of Web3 in collaboration and open source resources. Interoperability and standardization are needed in many places of this ecosystem, starting with storage. Data gravity and data locality are crucial. Most services require some form of storage, and it is cheaper and more efficient to run services close to their data. Therefore, starting with a robust storage foundation similar to Amazon's approach, starting with AWS as three object storage. It is critical to move leading or concentration of computing resources, analytic and applications, enterprise hardware, and DAPI verification. The DAPI verification problems refer to the challenges in validation in monitoring the reliability nodes perform their task correctly and consistently is critical from maintaining the network's integrity and performance. Here is the solution: Impossible Cloud Network ICN. Based on the challenges, this light paper introduce Impossible Cloud Network ICN, a decentralized ecosystem designed to capture a significant share of the global cloud market by addressing a wide range of customer needs. ICN operates in layers managed by different participants, all connected by the ICN protocol. ICNP and incentivized in a blockchain based marketplace. This marketplace aims to balance hardware supply and cloud service demands, minimizing subsides and helping service providers find their product market fit. The ICNP is a decentralized trustless protocol designed to revolution the cloud service market by integrating various stakeholders into a cohesive ecosystem, leveraging blockchain technology and power of community. ICN aligns incentives among hardware providers, services providers, and SLA Oracle nodes, creating a secure, efficient cloud service infrastructure. This approach not only addresses the challenges of traditional centralized cloud system but also introduce a scalable and resilient model essential for future technological demands. Okay, and here is the ICNT is the native token of Impossible Cloud Network. ICN, an open, permissionless and composable cloud ecosystem built to replace legacy platforms like AWS with decentralized enterprise grade storage, compute, and Becker NGP. The capital places ICN at a fully diluted valuation of 470 million USDT. That generates over 7 million USDT in APR through services delivered to 1000 plus enterprise clients, reflecting a 2000 percentage over year growth. The network powers over 80 PB of active decentralized storage across Europe and the US, with 250 PB plus in the global pipeline, with 250K plus community members and 29,000 plus nodes across 140 countries. ICN is setting the standard for real scalable Web3 infrastructure backed by top investors including 1KX No Limit Holdings, Protocol Labs, NGP Capital, HV Capital, and more. Here is the BTC pool. Total stocking rewards of ICNT is 250,000 ICNT. The participants is 4,750. The token stock BTC and the price pool early cap 1041.66 ICNT, and the mining ends in 10 days, and the individual early cap reward is 52.08 ICNT. And here is the total stock 3,273.81390233 BTC, and the APR is 1.33 APR. And here is the simple earn principal protected flexible term compound interest. The total lending USDT is 2.17 billion USDT and the EST USDT is 8.26 percentage is the 8.26 percentage is the bonus. Okay, and here is the USDT bonus and BTC and the Ethereum, GT, AIN and ICNT, Solana stocking, and here is the first one is USDT, EST APR is 12.00 percentage, the flexible fixed, and the Bitcoin bonus is 6.00 percentage. It is also flexible fixed, and here is the Ethereum 7.12 percentage flexible fixed, and here is the GT 15.20 percentage. It is also flexible, and here is the Gate Launchpool FAQ. What is the Gate Launchpool? A Gate Launchpool is an innovative stocking and airdrop platform where users can stock GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Click on it and join now. The second one question is how can I participate in Gate Launchpool? First, log in to your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launchpool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stock your assets. Check the participation guide. And the third question is which coin can I stock in Gate Launchpool? The token eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launchpool to view more details. Okay, and the fourth one question we have how many tokens will be rewarded? Early stocking reward is equal to individual latest 1 hour valid stocking amount total pool stocking amount multiply early reward pool, and the platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts each hour and take the average stocking amount as the valid stocking amount. And here is the fifth one question how are rewards distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts early and token rewards are distributed to eligible users. Early earnings will be distributed into user spot accounts. And the sixth one question we have when will the stocked assets be redeemed? After the user redeems in advance on the stocking is completed, the stocked assets will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stocked assets will be redeemed into spot assets. If the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of Simple Earn, the assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. If Simple Earn does not spot the claim of the redeemed token, the assets will also be automatically transferred to spot assets. If Simple Earn does not spot the claim of the redeemed token, the assets will also be automatically transferred to spot assets. And the seventh one is can I redeem my stocked assets at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stocking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of accrued rewards. Please maintain stable stocking amounts to ensure mining rewards. And the eighth one question is can I add additional stocked assets You can increase your stocked assets at any time. The more tokens you stock, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stocking rewards. And the ninth one question we have: can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on at the same time, you can stock in different pools to receive new tokens, mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stocking pool needs to be stocked separately. If you only stock assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain rewards pool B. You can stock pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards of new tokens. And here is the 10th question: what is the maximum mining rewards I can receive? The early reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stocking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement for the mining page of the reward hard cap limit. And the 11th one: will stocking assessed in Gate Launchpool impact my VIP level? No assets stocked in the Gate Launchpool will be included in the assessed holding calculations for HODLer, Airdrop, Launchpad and VIP privilege. And the 12th one question: what will happen to my funds if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your stock principal will be automatically redeemed as sooner as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. The interest distribution before the ending will not be affected. Okay, here is about annual percentage rate APR. When the reward coin is the stocked coin, APR is equal to total rewards released in the last hour. Last hour total stock multiply 365 multiply 24 multiply 100 percentage. And here is the second one: when the reward coin is not the stocked coin, APR is equal to total reward released in the last hour multiply closing price of the reward coin. And of the last hour total stock multiply closing price of the stock coin of the last hour multiply 365 multiply 24 multiply 100 percentage. The APR is an estimate and of reference. Only the actual analyzed return you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is updated early. And here is the next launch pool: quick stocking and potential new tokens 300.0 million USDT. And fund raised is 28.94 billion USDT. And the participants is 5.74 million plus participants. The estimate total reward is 420.6k is the estimated total reward. Here is the HODLer Airdrop FAQ about HODLer Airdrop. What is the HODLer Airdrop? HODLer Airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT tokens. HODLers users only need to hold a certain amount of GT to share airdrop tokens based on their holdings proportion. And the second one: what are the requirements to participate in the HODLer airdrop? Participants must complete identity verification and hold at least 1 GT. And the third one: what is the GT holding participation limit? The GT holding participation limit may vary for each project. The specific limit will be clearly stated in each project airdrops announcement. And the fourth one is: how our airdrops tokens are distributed? Once you participate in the event, The ecosystem will be tracking your GT holdings from the start of the project. It will take multiple random snapshots every hour, calculate the hourly average. Your final rewards depend on your average holdings throughout the entire event. If your average holdings are below 1 GT, you will not be eligible for any rewards. Okay, the number tokens a user ultimate receives is equal to user average hourly holdings during the event. All participants total average hour holdings during the event multiply total airdrop amount. And the fifth one is, can I participate in multiple HODLer airdrop? Yes, as long as you hold enough GT at each project snapshot time and meet the participation requirements, you can participate in multiple HODLer airdrops. The sixth one is, will I definitely receive tokens if I participate? Users holding at least 1 GT can 100% receive the airdrop provided they maintain at least 1 GT at 1 GT at the snapshot time. And the seventh one question we have, how can I check my airdrop tokens? Rewards will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check them anytime under Earn, HODLer Airdrop History. And here is the, what should I do if I have not received my airdrop tokens? If you did not receive airdrop tokens, please first check if you meet the participation criteria and confirm your GT holdings at the snapshot time. If the issue persists, please contact customer support. Okay, and here is the, how to participate in GateLaunchpool. GateLaunchpool is an innovative stocking and airdrop platform where user can stock GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT or other tokens to earn early airdrops of HODL and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Stock to earn, click on it and stock to earn. And market opportunities, stock to earn. Now, how to join GateLaunchpool and stock to earn? Log in to your Gate account and navigate to Launchpool and home Launchpool. Back click on Launchpool. Choose the stocking pool you want to join. Click stock, enter the stocking amount, click confirm and complete the stocking. View rewards in reward history. After successful stocking, the snapshots are also here for you people. And the notes is, please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of your account and assess the stock assessed will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stock assess will be redeemed into spot assess. The will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts each hour and you can increase your stocking assess at any time. Please maintain stable stocking amounts to ensure mining rewards. Okay, and here is the GateLaunchpool FAQ. What is GateLaunchpool? GateLaunchpool is an innovative stocking airdrop platform where user can stock GT, BTC, and Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Click on it and join now. How can I participate in Gate Launchpool? Firstly, log into your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launchpool page, and then choose the project you want to participate in and stock your assets. Here is the participation guide. Click on it and check the participation guide. The third one question we have: which coin I stock in Gate Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launchpool to view more details. And the fourth one is: how many tokens will be rewarded? Early stocking reward is equal to individual latest 1 hour valid stocking amount, total platform stocking amount, and okay, when the stocked assets will be redeemed after the user redeems in advance or the stocking is completed, the stocked assets will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stocked assets will be redeemed into spot assets if the amount of redeemed assets is too small, does not meet the minimum claim amount of Simple Earn. The assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets, and if Simple Earn does not spot the claim at any time, the platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stocking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of occurred rewards. Please maintain stable stocking amounts to ensure mining rewards. And here is the next one question: can I add additional stocked assets? You can increase your stocked assets at any time. The more tokens you stock, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stocking rewards. And the ninth one question we have: can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on at the same time, you can stock in different pools to receive new tokens. Mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stocking pool needs to be stocked separately. If you only stock assets in pool A, you will not be able to reward from pool B. You can stock pool A, pool B separately. And here is the next question about annual percentage. APR total reward is the last hour total stock multiply 365 multiply 24 multiply 100 percentage. When the reward coin is not the stock coin, APR total rewards is the last hour closing price of the reward coins of the last hour total stock multiply closing price of the stock coin of the last hour multiply 365 multiply 24 multiply 100 percentage. Okay, and the APR is estimate and for reference only. The actual analyzed return you finally receive shall prevail. APR data early, and here is the startup, Referral, Carnival. Invite friends to register or participate in startup for the first time to claim more airdrops, and invite now first time claim plus 100 stars. And here is the invite friends. First one is invite friends, and share the exclusive referral link with friends to invite them to register and Join startup claim successfully for the first time. Then they will be your valid invite. Click on it and invite now. The second one is earn stars. Stars are earned according to the daily trading volume of valid invite, and within 30 days, the more trading volume of your invite, the more stars you can earn. Check your stars. Click on it and check your stars. Okay. And the third and the last one is swap stars for shares. Swap stars for shares. You can redeem stars for additional claim shares in startup. Click on it and swap now. Okay. Click on it and swap now. Here is the question, and the first one question we have: what is startup stars? Startup stars is the exclusive reward of startup which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP free airdrop. Every 10 stars can swap one share. Okay, every 10 stars can swap one share with a cap of 40,000 stars. To swap shares for a project, you can swap shares for as many projects as you can every day. And the next one is how to earn startup stars. How to earn startup stars? New users who complete a minimum of 10 USDT in spot trading volume within 3 days after registration on this page can earn 10 startup stars. Existing users can invite new users to register on Gate.io or invite other users to participate in startup for the first time. Both new users and users participate. In startup for the first time will be counted as your valid invite. The system will daily calculate the trading volume of your valid invite from the previous day. If the trading volume of the invite from the previous day is not less than 1000 USDT, startup stars will be distributed on the same day. The higher the trading volume, the more startup stars you can earn. Trading volume is equal to spot volume plus future volume multiplied 40%. All users who participate in startup for the first time from this page can receive an additional 100 startup stars. And here is the next one: how to participate startup stars. Every 10 stars can swap one share of VIP free airdrop. You can input the number of stars upon subscription. To claim extra shares, you can use your startup stars when participating in VIP free airdrops. To claim extra free airdrops, the next question we have: can I receive startup stars every day? For invite to earn, startup stars are distributed daily in accordance with the daily trading volume of your invite in a 30-day period. View the announcement for more details. The more invite reach the volume requirement, the more startup stars you will earn and you will receive. Next question we have: can I claim both the VIP default shares or startup vouchers and the startup stars swapping shares? Yes, you can claim both of them. Startup stars, swapping shares are extra shares in addition to your VIP default shares, or startup vouchers. You can swap startup stars to receive extra shares of VIP free airdrops. And the next question, is there a valid period for startup stars? Startup stars are always valid, but the product upgrade or rules change may lead to the invalidation of the startup stars. So please use your stars to swap shares. The sooner and the better. And the last one question we have: how many startup stars can I earn by inviting friends? Okay. The last question, startup stars will be awarded based on the first claim of your invite friends or their trading volume completed within 30 days following the registration. The trading volume of the invite will be checked on a daily basis from the previous day. If it meets or exceeds 1000 USD, startup stars will be credited to your account. The more the invite trades, the more startup stars you will earn. The third one question we have: we will take a snapshot of the trading volume of the invite from the previous day at 00 am UTC every day. Startup star will be issued at 2 am UTC every day. The fourth one point is startup stars can be swapped for shares of VIP free airdrop at a rate of 10 stars for one share. Please note that there is a cap of 40,000 stars per project, allowing a maximum of 4,000 shares to be swapped for each project. Okay. Here is the daily trading volume or startup stars, or the shares are also here. When the daily trading volume is 1000 USD, then the startup stars is 0 and the shares is also 0. And when the daily trading volume is 1000 to 3000 USD, then the startup stars is 10 and the shares is 1. And when the daily trading volume is 3001 to 6000 USD, then the startup stars is 20 and the shares is 2. And when the daily trading volume is 6001 to 12000 USD, then the startup stars is 60 and the shares is 6. And when the daily trading volume is 12,001 USD to 25,000 USD, then the startup charge is 120 and the shares is 12. And when the daily trading volume is 25,001 to 52,000 USD, then the startup charge is 250 and the shares is 25. And when the daily trading volume is 52,001 USDT to 1 USD to 130 USD, then the startup charge is 600 and the shares is 60. And when the daily trading volume is 130,001 to 325,000 USD, then the startup charge is 1500 and the shares is 150. And when the daily trading volume is 815,001 to 1,630,000 USD, then the startup charge is 5,000 and the shares is 500. And when the daily trading volume is 1,630,001 USD, then the startup charge is also increased. Then the startup charge is also changed into 6,000 and the shares is 600. And the shares is also changed into 600. when the daily trading volume is 8,015 815,001 to 1,630,000 USD. Then the startup charge is 5,000 and the shares is 500. And when the daily trading volume, which are in USD, when the daily trading volume is 1,630,001 USD, then the startup charge is 6,000 and the shares is also increase and the shares is also changed into 600 and also change into 600. Trading volume in the last 30 days is equal to last 30 days spot trading volume plus last 30 days future trading volume multiply 40 percentage. Trading volume in the last 30 days is equal to last 30 days spot trading volume plus last 30 days future trading volume plus 40 percentage. Thank you so much everyone for joining and thank you so much for listening. Thank you. Stay tuned and it's time to say goodbye.